In this video, we present fun, dynamic, everyday phrases and a few facts about Jamaica.
Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Jamdong.
Remember to like and subscribe for more exciting phrases. Jamaica is located in the Caribbean Sea. The country is the third largest island in the Caribbean. Jamaica's capital city is Kingston. Other major cities include Montego Bay, Negro, Ocho Rios, and Port Antonio. The currency is the Jamaican dollar. The official language is English. The national language is Jamaican Patois. The Afro-Jamaicans make up the majority ethnic group, followed by mixed Irish Jamaicans. The country has a population of 2.9 million as of 2021. Jamaica has a tropical climate. It is hot throughout the year. The rainy season occurs from late April to October, characterized by thunderstorms. What is Jamaica known for? Major industries include tourism, mining, agriculture, and manufacturing. The country is popular for its beach resorts and some rare animals that are only found in Jamaica. Such animals include the American giant centipede and America's largest butterfly. About 4 million people visited Jamaica in 2019. There are several tourist attractions in Jamaica. Negro 7 Mile Beach is one of the most beautiful beaches in Jamaica and in the Caribbean. Tourists can enjoy a wide variety of activities such as water sports, golf, cliff diving, sunset cruises, or simply soak in the tropical sun. Jamaica is also known for its Rastafarian lifestyle. It's the birthplace of reggae, Bob Marley, the world's fastest sprinters, Usain Bolt, the king of sprint, Jamaican rum, and jerk dishes. We want to share interesting Jamaican Patois phrases that may be useful to learn before you travel to Jamaica.
Howdy. Wagwan. Thank you. Thanks. You're welcome. Beg your pardon. Sorry. You chat English? You know if you talk English? What your name? What them call you? Me name, them call me. Bye bye. Me I turn me back. Little more. Yeah. No. Me no understand. Me no get what you say. Me want some help. You can't help me with? Me sorry. Hush. Where you come from? Which part you come from? Me come from. Me born and grow in a. Me I go look for. Me I go check. Me I go link. How much for this? Which part there? Where there?
And now, some cool local slang to help you get around.
A bruff me a bruff today. Bro God. Wagwan. Me there. What you deal with? Do road.